I have no information. I do know that he's in a Ford. That did not sound good from up here. Light on the sled, green flags on the track. All right, Corey, let's see what you can do. Let's see what you got for the first official distance. Well, right there, Tanner. He pulled himself a distance of 287.99. We got green flags, and let's see what Tyler can do. Tyler with a distance of 286.68. Coming out of Bell Center, driving a 1979 Ford F-250. We've got green all the way. Well, looky there, ladies and gentlemen. What do you think? Did he pull himself into the lead? What do you think? He is 287.58. All right, Jordan. You know what to get? You need at least 288. Oh, they got that sled dialed in again. 2 pulls in a row that I've been at. Jordan's got a distance of 281.61. So good. It kept the first one. Second one, a distance of 2:23.